Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week has been off to an amazing start, and I hope you all are in good health. So today you guys were in my master bedroom, and I'm going to get ready to decorate it for spring. So I already gave my room a deep clean, and I also went ahead and moved the furniture around. So I always like to change things up with the season, so I decided to rearrange my furniture in my bedroom. So this large mirror, you guys may remember, I had it in my living room, as well as those ottomans. So I brought it back here in my master bedroom. I think it looks really nice in here as well. So I love that my bed is positioned by the windows. I think it brings in a lot of natural light on this side of the room. So I absolutely love it. So I did change out my curtains. You guys may remember that I had those dark charcoal velvet curtains in here. So I swapped those out for these light, airy white curtains. And I had these curtains for quite a while. I got these from Home Goods maybe like last year. But this is an overview of the room. I absolutely love the vibe that it's given. So now we're going to go ahead and decorate my master bedroom for spring.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now.
I wanted to add a pop of color, so I am loving this green. So this is like an olive green, so that's what I'm going to be adding in my master bedroom. So after you layer in your bed sheets, so when you're layering your bed, you want to start with your bed sheets, so which is like your fitted sheet and your flat sheet. Then you want to go in with your quilt set or coverlet, whatever you want to call it. So that's what I'm doing here. So this is a quilt that I added. So it's absolutely beautiful. So I love that it has that white and olive green color in it. Now this quilt does come in different sizes, and it does come in 2 other colors. I think it has a really pretty like ivory and white, and then also has a really pretty blue and white. So absolutely pretty, and I thought it would be something different for spring. So that's what I'm adding here. So I'm adding in my quilt.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your
Okay, you guys, so now I got that duvet inside of my cover. So now I'm just taking my steamer and I'm just going to try to get any wrinkles out of the duvet. So I do think that taking the time to actually steam your bedding, it just steps it up a notch, and it just makes it looks a lot more luxurious if you just take the time to steam your bedding. So one pro tip that you can do to get a nice full duvet is you can use 2 inserts. So using 2 inserts is to give you that nice plush plump bedding at the end. And then what I usually do is I'll take it down. What I do is I'll take the duvet and fold it in half. So I bring it all the way down to the end of the bed, fold it in half, and then bring it back up 1/3 of the way, like I'm doing here in this clip. And then that'll give you a nice plump and full bedding comforter at the end of the bed. And I just think it just looks really nice and elegant if you do it this way. So it looks really nice.
What's it gonna take for you to show
now I'm going to go ahead and add in my everyday pillows. So I always try to add my everyday pillows to the back of the bed, so that way you're not looking at them all the time and then people are not seeing your everyday pillows. So I usually start with the white ones that come with the sheet sets. I put those on first, and then I'll put the ones that comes with my quilt on next. That way that if you have a decorative quilt like this, you can kind of see the nice detail and everything popping through. And then next I'm going to add in my Euro shams. So like I said, you'll see me use 2 here, but you'll see me later on in the video, I'll go in and add a third Euro sham. And then the Euro sham inserts I did pick up from Amazon, and then the pillow covers here, which is this nice, really pretty kind of cream ivory color, I got from Amazon as well. So next I found these gorgeous olive green pillow covers from Amazon. All of the bedding is from Amazon in this video. So so I'll have everything linked in my Amazon store. But I really like to use texture and prints, and y'all know I love to use patterns. So I found this beautiful pillow cover, really nice, soft kind of olive green, that it just screams springtime to me. So I thought that would look really nice on my bed as a pop of color. And they all are in this velvety material, which is really nice. But I would say some of the zippers, because these pillows are so thick, that they were a little bit hard to zip up. But yeah, it looks really, really nice and luxurious. This looks like really good quality pillow covers. So I did pick up 2 of the olive green pillow covers, and these are in the size 22 by 22. Now, after you get your bed all made and add your decorative pillows and all of that, I always like to finish it off with a decorative throw. So I have this throw here that's from Z Gallery. It's like a nice cream and kind of tan color throw. It's very nice and furry and thick. But I decided, you'll see me add it here, but I will change this out in the video as well. I think it's a little bit too hot and too warm for spring. So I end up swapping it out for one that I got from Target that's a really light, that's a lot more lightweight and airy for the bed. But yeah, but this throw is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I used it several times throughout my home already, but I did pick it up from Z Gallery, but I am going to change it out and add a thinner throw to the end of the bed. So I love to decorate with florals in my home, whether they're real or faux florals. I just think it just adds a really nice touch to the finishing look of your design. So I'm going to be adding in these ginger jars. I've had these ginger jars for quite a while. I got them from Ross a few years ago, and then I'm going to be using it to decorate some nice pretty tulips. So I'm going to add some pretty tulips in it. Now you'll see me add these stems right here. I was going to put these in here. This was actually my inspiration for bringing in this beautiful olive color green to my home this spring. I absolutely love it. I was going to decorate with the blush pink, but my home being so neutral, because it's very ivories and blacks and creams and whites, the pink just did not look right to me in my house. So I decided to bring in a lot more warmer kind of earthy tones. So I'm going to be decorating with this pretty olive green. So yeah, I was going to put these stems in this jar, but I decided just to add white tulips to it as well, like you'll see me add on my side of the nightstand as well, just so the look can kind of coordinate together better. So the tulips that I'm gonna be using, I just think tulips just scream springtime. And then I found these gorgeous tulips here from Amazon. These are just absolutely amazing. They are so realistic looking. So it seemed like it's just hard to find really faux flowers that looks real. So they do a good job with these from this Amazon seller. So I have them linked down in the description box below if you guys are interested. But they are really affordable. I think I got a bunch of, I think it's like 23 or 26 for like $20. So they're very affordable, and they do come in different colors as well if you don't want to use the pure white. But this color here is pure white. I thought it would really soften the look of the room, so I'm adding these white ones to this ginger jar over here as well, and then I'm gonna add some to my husband's nightstand as well.
I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want.
That is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes are